Let's see if we want to find the sides, and we follow the exactly same procedure, and we are looking to find the sides this time. First step, we label. This is angle, this has to be opposite. Opposite is missing one. Yep. And this side is adjacent. I don't know what adjacent, but no one is asking me to find adjacent. But this one is a hypotenuse. So I am given the angle and the hypotenuse. So I need something with an opposite. So I can use sine angle. This is an angle. So instead of that, I can put 36. Sine 36 degree equals to, it's so, isn't it? So opposite is missing. Instead of opposite, just put x because that's what it is. And instead of hypotenuse, put 7. Sine 37 is x over 7. This 7 here is dividing. You pick it up, put on the other side. Pick it up, but when you put, it should come up here. 7 times sine 37. Oh, I mean 36. Where got the 37 from? This is 36, not 7. Yep. And that's 7 sine 37, that being multiplied, and that will give you the value of the x. When you find the value of the x, you look at the units here. Whatever units here, that will be the same unit, centimeter. Anyone got a value for 7 sine 36? So 4.11 centimeter. I like to try this question where you find the hypotenuse. Okay, so once you're done, I like you to try this question. Then after that, I like to try this question. Find the length of AB. It's asking you to find this length AB. But hypotenuse is given. Once you done that one, I like you to try the last question here. Let me move that to side. I like to try this question as well. Yep. So here you are asked to find the angle, this angle DEF. What is angle DEF? You start from D, go to E and F. DEF is actually this triangle. Yep. The questions are sometimes like this. For example, there is a ladder and is placed against the wall, 1.5 meters. The height is 5.8 meters. So you need to find out the length of the ladder. Yep. So first it's asking you to find out, it must be inclined at an angle between 70 and 80. So you need to find this angle. If the angle is not between 70 and 80, it means it's not safe. Yep. Once you do that one, so it's if you think that way, it is actually a triangle. This is 5.8. This is 1.5. And it's asking to find this angle x. So what you do, you have to use TOA. You have to use a tan x equal to opposite over adjacent. What is opposite? Now you put the values. The opposite is this is opposite, and this value is adjacent. 1.5. You can leave it like that, or you can actually do the tan inverse on the other side. And if you put that in calculator, you will get an answer for the x. And then the other thing is find the length of the ladder. Yes, you can use multiple ways. So you're asking to find the hypotenuse. Now we have an answer of 75. And in the question it says it has to be between these values. So which mean, yeah, it's safe. Yeah, so this angle is that one. Now the angle is given. You can either use a Pythagoras theorem or you can use a SOH. I suggest use a SOH, some of people, because we already know how to use a SOH and find this hypotenuse thing. Yeah, now they want this thing. Yep. So if I want to find the ladder, I need to just redraw the triangle again. Okay, this is 5.8. and this is 1.5. And this is the length of the ladder, which is hypotenuse. The formula, the Pythagoras formula is this. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So opposite is 5.8 plus 1.5, and that's hypotenuse square. If you do that in your calculator, you will get a value for the hypotenuse square. Okay, now this is hypotenuse square. I need to square root both sides. So I got the hypotenuse, 5.89. And that will be in meters, yeah, which is the length of the ladder. Anyone got any question, please?